Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Bing AI on your iPhone for beginners. Bing AI is a powerful artificial intelligence assistant developed by Microsoft. It is available on various platforms including iPhone, and it offers a range of features to help users with tasks such as search, navigation, reminders, and more. To start using Bing AI on your iPhone, first of all, you'll need to download the app from your App Store. So let's go ahead and dive into the video step by step. Step 1. Downloading and installing the app. Open your App Store for your iPhone and make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet as well. Go to the search box at the top and type in Bing and search. Look for the Bing Chat with AI and GPT-4 application displayed on the screen and tap on the Get button. Wait for the application to download and install on your iPhone, which will take a couple of minutes. Step 2. Launch Bing AI and set up. Once the application is installed, tap on the Open button to launch Open Bing AI on your iPhone. Allow necessary permission for the app by tapping on the Allow button, or if you don't want to allow some of the permissions out there, you can select Don't Allow. The first interface of Microsoft Bing will look like this. Tap on the Continue button at the bottom and you will find yourself in the main homepage of Bing AI. To set up your account, go to the top left corner of the screen and tap on the human icon. Now, tap on Tap to Sign In option at the top. In order to access your Bing AI account, you will need to enter your Microsoft account's credentials. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, tap on the Create One link and follow through the instructions till the end. If you already have a Microsoft account, go ahead and enter your email, phone number, or your Skype ID in the text box. Enter any one information and tap on Next. On the next page, enter your password associated with your Microsoft account. After you are done entering the password, tap on Sign In. Once you're signed into your Microsoft account, you can now start using the app. Step 3. Enable voice activation. To enable voice activation, simply go ahead and tap on the microphone icon right next to the search box from the main homepage. Now, allow microphone permission by tapping on Allow, or you can also go to your settings and toggle on the button right next to microphone. Once you allow necessary permission for the app, you can now go ahead and enable voice activation. You can now go ahead and tap on the microphone button and speak your prompts. Write down a short story. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to ask Bing AI to create contents with voice activation. Step 4. Explore features. Once you are done setting up your Bing AI, you can familiarize yourself with the features of Bing AI. Bing AI can help you with tasks such as searching, navigating, reminders, alarms, weathers, and much more. Step 5. Customize settings. To customize your settings, go to the top left corner of your main home screen and tap on the human icon. Now tap on the settings menu from the interface, and then you can now customize and adjust your preferences such as languages, voice recognitions, notifications, and much more. Step 6. Sign out of Bing AI. If you're ever done using the Bing AI account on your mobile device and you would like to sign out of the application, then the process is quite easy. From the main homepage, tap on the human icon at the top left and then tap on Settings. Tap the Sign Out button right next to your email address under Account. You will now again need to tap on Sign Out at the bottom right once again, and this will then sign you out of your Bing AI account. So those were some of the steps you can follow to get started with Microsoft's Bing AI on your iPhone. Following these steps, you can harness the power of artificial intelligence to streamline tasks, find information, and stay organized on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.